This was one that you had painted as well?
Yeah.
Painted with some melted beeswax?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
So they're back filling honey.
Why are they refusing to use the honey super?
Well, because they don't need to. They don't have enough need. They're turning this into honey storage instead of brood. Need a place to get. It's all
There's
honey
a big
right there.
drone there.
That's all honey.
Mm-hmm. You might go around the other side, maybe. Oh wow, that's all honey.
Honey and pollen, I think. And on the other side, it's all honey also. They're capping it. Okay. Sorry, girls.
Wow, they sure do respond better to the sugar water than the smoker. We don't have any bees getting really ticked off.
Look at that there. It's all honey.
So that whole thing is honey that we are not going to be able to harvest. I'm sorry, I set that one there. My bad.
Okay.
Do you want me to just hang it?
No. Here's the frame I put in last time. It was painted. So there's no babies up here. It's all honey. I think I'm going to donate it. I'm going to donate it all.
You're going to donate the honey to the cedar swarm?
Yeah. But how do I get them all into that box? I'm going to have to...
Do we need to open and access the lower boxes today?
I want to, but I know there's
Surge Hive?
no babies. I mean, I know there's no honey. There's no babies up here. Honestly, they're just using this for storing honey right now. Okay, so it's
Right.
a brood box. I want to give it to the other bee box.
Okay.
What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this box off of here and take each frame and shake it out and put it back in the box. And when I get most of the bees out, then I'll just go over to that hive, I'll lift up the super and just drop this box on there and set it back down.
And where are you going to be shaking these bees into?
Into the super up here.
The honey super?
Yep. So they'll start using that because this is all honey right here.
Yeah.
They'll be storing honey up here.
Okay.
Okay.
So what if cedar swarm over there that we're donating to is not able to make use of it? And like, what if the hive fails or whatever? What happens to these frames?
What?
Can we transfer them back over?
I
Okay.
don't understand. This is all just honey, okay? There's no babies. Okay, so we're not changing anything.
Okay.